bells jingle all the way.
What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? Some of you have wanted to know where this backdrop came from. We made it in our Princess Switch 3 video. Now on to today's video. This time of year, I am crazy about advent calendars, as you can tell from my more recent videos. So I was thinking, why not make a hidden doll room advent calendar? So that's what we're gonna do. For this project, we are using foam board. My foam board measures 20 by 30 inches. On the 30-inch side, I measure up 13 inches and cut going straight across the top. So I have a 13 by 30-inch board. Measure over 11.5 inches on the sides. I'm gonna make a little mark, score on the line, being careful not to cut all the way through so the board can bend. Repeat on the other side to make a trifold. I'm thinking on this wall we build a shelving unit, and that's where the advent calendar will be. So let's take the leftover foam board, cut a floor that can fit inside the trifold, and let's cut out a window. I cut an 8 by 3-inch window right in the center of the back wall, so we can play with light. Let's cover the walls with a pink paper. I'm using a glue stick to attach the paper. I have about an inch of white at the bottom, and I'm just gonna leave it there. And let's go ahead and cover the outside of the room. I went with a white brick on one side, and let's do a snow scene on the other. I got this picture from a calendar, and I glued it to black paper first so we wouldn't see the lines through the image. Now we can glue it onto the side wall, giving us a scenic background for photos. On the inside, let's cover the floor with a wood grain paper, then glue it into the room. Take more foam board, cut 1.5-inch strips. I cut a few rectangles at 1 3/4 by 1.5, and we're gonna just glue them onto some longer strips. Make more. I cut a 1/2-inch strip that I'm going to glue underneath. I cut another long strip, and I'm gonna glue it to one side. Then glue in the next row, continue all the way up, then close the other side with another strip to make a large cube shelf that we can glue to the wall. But before I glue it in place, cut clear plastic from packaging, glue or tape it behind the cutout, trim it with strips to frame the window. Let's glue in the cube shelf, cut another piece of foam board, and cover it with the same wood grain paper as we did for the floor earlier. Glue baseboards to the bottom of the wall, making sure that the floor can fit underneath them, giving us a floor extension. Take leftover foam board, cut a 4 by 10.5-inch rectangle. I cut a few 2-inch strips, and we're gonna glue them around the outside edge to make a box. I cut another piece to fit the top, 2 pieces for the sides, and a long piece to go across the back. Let's cover all of the pieces with paper. I'm going with a wood grain. I only need to cover the front of the box because we're gonna just cover the sides anyway. For the piece that goes on top, let's score the other side about an inch from the edge so it can bend, and I'm gonna glue it down only on this side, right in the back. So now we have a box with a lid. Glue on the sides, then glue the last piece in the back to make a daybed with hidden storage. I cut felt, cover it with fabric, and I'm just gluing this down to save a little time. To make a cushion to go on top, I stacked 5 layers of felt and glued them together. Cover them with fabric to make back pillows for our daybed. Now the basic construction for our room is complete. Now for the advent calendar part. I take cardstock and score it with 1.5-inch lines, making a grid pattern. We have two choices here. We can cut on the line to get 9 of those squares. Make 2 small cuts on each side at the top and bottom, then fold on the lines, overlap 2 of the squares, then bring up the bottom and glue it in place. Repeat on the other side to make a cube. We can place the cube into the shelf, and this is where we can hide our daily surprises for our advent calendar. We can print out printables, like our printable cell phone, then include a few pieces of cardstock, place them into the box for a daily craft surprise. The second option is cut out only 3 of the squares, fold on the lines to make a small trifold. I printed out our bookcase printable, cut a small piece to glue onto the front, and place it onto the shelf. Then we can pre-make our crafts, place them into the shelves, and hide it behind the book trifold. These are a lot faster than the boxes, and when the whole wall is filled, it adds a lot of interest to this space. We can make small ornaments to place on the shelves. What about a decorative pillow? It's 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches, so it's pretty small, and it still fits? Yeah, kinda. We can see it a little bit, but the busyness of the shelves help to hide it. We can hide books with pages, our miniature tea boxes, a sketchbook. What about our paper Nikes? Do they fit? Looks like a yes. If you are making this for a friend, it might be a good time to give away a few doubles, like Candlehead. Now, this room could be used for anything, but because this is an advent calendar, let's give it a little holiday vibe. Twist pipe cleaners around a wooden dowel, add some lights to make a tree. We can make the tree small enough to fit under the couch when not in use. Gotta think about storage. Let's add a few pillows. I cut a little cardstock for a rug. Taking ideas from one of our Christmas rooms from last year, we can glue greenery onto a piece of foam board, add our hot glue candles, and place it on top of the bookcase. Add a few bulbs to the tree. Use pipe cleaners for a garland. I have a wreath that I made last year, and we can attach that to the wall, creating an advent calendar that our dolls can live in. And for 25 days, we can come over to the bookcase and look behind a set of books to find a surprise. 3D printed mugs. These will come in handy. We can have surprises that help to decorate the room, like our easy no-sew stockings that we can attach to the walls, maybe a paper houseplant or two to go on an ottoman, or even one of our hot glue dogs to keep our dog company, as well as tiny accent pillows and whatever else you can create. And as an added bonus, it's reusable for next year. Thank you for joining us while we made an advent calendar in a hidden doll room. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!
Lights up, 'tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this. Y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing. Favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing. Favorite season. They said, "Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag?" Yeah, I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Yeah. They said, "Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag?" Yeah.